What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? It's John Fagerholm again. Today I want to talk about the now infamous Astronomer CEO at the Coldplay concert. Seems like ever since the Diddy trial, I've been making a video about once a week warning business owners about the issues with dating employees. Now let me show you how a 30-second clip led to the collapse of the leadership of a prominent California tech company and how you can avoid being the next viral meme. The evidence speaks for itself. Something was clearly afoot and the internet detectives went to work. They figured out that the CEO was married to someone else. The woman with him, the head of the company's HR. Suddenly, what looked like a private affair was exposed for all the world to see, and the company suffered for it. Business owners, here's why this matters to you. When someone at a company is in a position of power, dating employees is not just a personal matter. It can affect the reputation of the company, and it could put the company at risk. If the relationship goes bad, that's when the problems start. Claims for harassment, hostile work environment, and a slew of other things. And if you're lucky, it's just a civil matter and there isn't any claim for sexual violence, which will then bring it into the criminal realm. And in the case of Astronomer, double whammy, because the head of HR was part of the problem. If HR is the problem, who investigates the investigate? Because of the compromise to HR, the board of Astronomer had to get involved and do its investigation. And it initially put the CEO on unpaid leave, and then he has since resigned. And here's the legal reality. Even if the relationship was consensual, there's a power imbalance, so the relationship could be viewed as coercive and could create problems later if things don't go the way you're expecting them to go. And in this case, it looks like both parties were married. So at some point, something was going to go wrong. And as the CEO, he sets the tone for the whole company. So the board was correct in doing an investigation, and they say he resigned, but who knows what really happened. So how do you protect your business? Well, number one, don't date your employees. Number two, don't have outside personal relationships with your employees. Number three, have a strict written policy for all supervisors and managers about not dating subordinates. And number four, document everything. Now, I'm not saying you as the business owner can control your employees' personal lives, but you can control whether they work for you or not. And employees dating, especially when there's a power imbalance, is too much risk for your company. Till next time, be productive.